Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can resize Adobe Express project without premium version. In order to do that, first of all, you have to log in Adobe Express with free version and choose your project. Right now, I don't have any project, so I will just simply select the from templates, click on the templates. Now, I want to resize this template. Now, if you are using premium version, just simply click on this resize and choose the recommended uh, post and just click on the resize. It will resize the whole thing. If you are using free version, just simply click on this add button. From there, you have to choose the customize size. We will create a new a blank page. Just simply add your pixels. Now just add one by one and just simply click on the add page. No, so this is a new page. Now from first page you have to copy all of the material elements, text, photos and copy over here. Now as you can see here, I have copied all of those things. Now I have to change the first background color. Click on the background color and click on the more colors and choose the blue. Now you have to resize all of those things by seeing this whole picture. Now let's simply re all of those things, next class, and design the whole page with your requirement. It is neat. Just simply little down, copy the text, which is the first. Now as you can see here, it's quite very similar to first post. As you can see here, it's very similar to first post. So this is how you can resize your project in Adobe Express without premium version. So this is the trick you can use if you are using free.